Hi, this is James again with JJ Media, and today I'm going to show you a simple and free, easy way to create posts for your social media. I know if you watched some of my previous videos, I had used Canva, and I still use Canva extensively, but there are other programs, so the video will be right there, and so you can hit it and take a look at my previous video. So what I want to do is show you this, and then just play around with it. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and share this post with your friends and this video with your friends, and click below to follow us on our social media. We look forward to bringing you more videos. So we're going to get to the computer, and we will take a look at this other way to make social media posts. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Alright, we are at snappa.com. That is snappa.com, snappa.com. And one of the things that I noticed, it is a very clean layout. And of course, I have the free account, and you can actually put in your custom size, and that way, if you do have a specific size that you do want to create, you can do that. So let's just go for a let's just do a YouTube thumbnail. Let's go. Okay, let's just click on this one, and let's go new way to create social posts. Okay, I'm going to have to shrink this down, and let's go to the size. Okay. Alright, and let's go for a red. Okay. Let's go ahead, and you notice as you slide this around, it does show you it's in the middle. Okay. Free. Okay. Let's go ahead and create this. Let's enlarge this. Okay. And let's change this. Okay. Let's go. Let me go ahead and delete this. And let's just go. Let's just look at the graphics. Photos. Icons. Okay, I'm just trying to find something in here to let's go shapes, and let's just go YouTube. We'll just toss this in, and okay, Oh, that's the border. Sorry. We want the solid color. There we go. And we'll go ahead. Okay, and then as you see again, that centers it up, that guideline. And let's just go ahead and do text. For YouTube and more. Okay. And we'll go ahead. It pretty well, if you've ever done any graphics, they pretty much all work the same way. So let's see how, okay, it centers it. Slide down, centers that. Let's go ahead and kind of center that. Let's get that down. And there we go. And as you see, it shows, it lines it up with that, and then that is lined up with that. So, okay, let's change the color of the text. And let's go white. There we go. Okay, I just kind of, just a real quick one, I just wanted to kind of show you that. All right, now let's save. Okay, save it, and now let's download. So, if you, let's go try high resolution PNG. There it goes, downloads. I'm just gonna sample YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure I get this site spelled right. For Snappa.com. Okay. All right. So that shows you how to do it, and let me go ahead and open this up. Oops. Come on. Show in folder, and run anyway. Okay, close. Okay, so something didn't download right. Sorry about that. Let's go. Oh, transparent background. Let's just go web optimized. For some reason it's not. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. That'll do it. Snappa. For some reason, okay. For some reason it didn't do it. So, okay. There we go. There it is. Bingo. You're done. Okay. So that is Snappa.com. Let's go back to our account. Let's go to Snappa. And let's go to menu and saved graphics. Okay, there it is. So let's go to my account and just see what happens. Okay, there it is. And social accounts. Okay, you can even connect it. So let's go back to create, and then there you go. You just got to learn a little bit about switching it around. But you can do Facebook posts, Facebook link, Instagram story. They pretty well cover blog featured image. This is huge especially for WordPress. I'm going to be using this a lot. And there again, I haven't used Snappa. I've used Canva, but I think I'm going to be coming over here. It seems to be it's simple, but it's smooth and clean. And even for an email header, YouTube in screen, channel art, which Canva does all this, but this just gives you another little choice for it. So I hope this helps you. Sorry about for all the mess up, but that showed you things do happen. So, but go ahead and try Snappa out, and especially for a starter, it's really clean and it's really simple. So subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and share, and then go below and click and connect with us on our social media channels. One of the things that I do want to continue offering is if you comment free video in the comments, we will give you a free video intro. And when I check the comments every so often, and we will drop in the link for you to get the free video. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day, and we look forward to bringing you the next video. So we will see you then.